Everybody, this is Thursday. Right here is the boys.
June 26th.
June 26th. Here comes the girls.
25th.
Oh, my husband says it's the 25th. Listen, we're giving you a heads up. There won't be any videos for a couple of days. Unfortunately, I had an uncle that died, and we're flying out of town for a couple of days to go to a funeral. With that being said, Sharon with Wing and a Prayer is going to be taking care of our puppies. So anyway, when we get back, as soon as we get back, we'll be taking more videos. Don't want to disappoint anybody, but at least we want you to understand that we got to obligate. Well, we got something we really want to do. So, but here's your nice video today. Spread them out, babe. As you can see, they're getting big. Oh my gosh. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Hey, babies. Come here. Hey, babies. Hi, babies. You're calling the wrong way. Come behind me. Come on. Come on. Oh, they don't like their scrunchie on their neck anymore. They're saying, like, give me this off. Yeah.
Oh, big poop.
Come on. Hey, baby. Woof, woof, woof. Hey. What? What is it? Oh. Goodness gracious. Okay, everybody, have a nice day. We'll be doing more videos in a couple of days. What? What is it? Oh. Bye-bye.